Well, a big frontal system is going to swing through and cool us off significantly, which is the great news. But the bad news is our next big weather maker is also going to bring the chance for severe weather. So we're talking about tomorrow night into Monday morning. We have first alerts in store for you. But the good news is we're going to have a significant temperature dip. We're talking about tomorrow's high temperature right around 96 degrees with a heat index value around 105. But that fall weather is back into the forecast as we head into Wednesday. 83 degrees is back into the forecast. So temperatures will be on the decline and feel more like fall, which, by the way, is officially fall today at 1:19 p.m. Happy fall, y'all. Temperatures right now don't feel like it. 94 degrees where we're sitting at here in Dallas, in Fort Worth, 93. Good afternoon to you in Denton, 93, and McKinney, 91. It is a rather hot day and we have a lot of humidity, so it feels more like the triple digits right now as well. Radar has finally cleared up, not seeing too much activity whatsoever here across North Texas. Now, as we move into the day tomorrow and into Wednesday morning, we have a first alert in store for you. Severe thunderstorms as well as flooding are going to be the main concern. Storm Prediction Center already has highlighted a level 2 out of 5 threat in the yellow shaded area. That's going to encompass McKinney over to Sulphur Springs, stretching all the way up to Paris and Gainesville in the Sherman area. In those spots in particular, you have a higher tornado threat, so something to keep in mind. Anywhere shaded in green, isolated potential for very large hailstones and the potential for some gusty winds. We're talking about 60 miles per hour, potentially even stronger. It's going to all spark up within the latter part of the afternoon for our western counties, but into the evening here across the northern tier of the region. 8 to 10 p.m. anywhere highlighted in yellow, stretching into the Metroplex down to the south a bit further towards Waxahachie, Comanche, as well as Tyler. We're talking about 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. and then to the south a bit further into central Texas, 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. is your forecast when the strongest activity will take place. As of the next few hours, maybe a spotty shower or isolated cell across our western counties, but generally speaking, we're staying dry through the overnight. That's going to be the case during the day tomorrow, but it's later in the day when that frontal system swings through and it brings us the chance for severe weather. Also, likely to see some pretty hefty downpours, especially into your Wednesday morning commute. Something to go ahead and keep in mind. As for tomorrow, you're waking up to clear skies, 76 degrees here across the Metroplex. Temperatures will be climbing tomorrow once again. 96 is the forecast high right around your 4 p.m. hour. But of course, it'll feel more like 105 because of all the moisture in the atmosphere. The big frontal system swings through into the overnight, brings us really aggressive thunderstorms likely, but dipping us back down into the 80s over the next couple of days. And by the time the state fair rolls around, well, temperatures will be nice and seasonable and we'll see some sunshine.